The trap we are talking about is not obvious. It doesn't look dangerous. It looks harmless. It looks free. Free internet. Free entertainment. Free endless scrolling. But this is exactly how the trap works. When you want to trap a mouse, you don't chase it. You don't threaten it. You place free cheese in front of it. The mouse walks in. By choice. Modern society works the same way. Instead of cheese, it gives you free entertainment. And slowly, it traps your focus, your discipline, your ambition. A man without focus is easy to control. This is not new. In ancient India, when kings or enemies wanted to break a saint's discipline, they didn't fight him. They sent entertainment, music, dancing women, pleasure. The goal was simple: make him forget his purpose. What worked then works even better now. Today, the entertainment never stops. It fits in your pocket. It follows you everywhere. Free content trains your brain to crave stimulation, fast pleasure, easy dopamine. Over time, silence feels uncomfortable. Focus feels heavy. Hard work feels boring. Not because you are weak, but because you have been trained this way. While you stay distracted, others profit from your attention, from your time, from your inability to step away. This is the trap. Not chains, not force, but endless distraction, disguised as freedom. So pause for a moment. After long scrolling sessions, how do you feel? Calm, clear, or tired, empty, unfocused? Now compare that to how you feel after self-growth, after reading, after training, after choosing effort over ease. Your mind may resist at first, but afterwards, there is clarity, there is steadiness, there is strength. Your body has been communicating the truth for years. I'm not here to tell you what to do. You already know. You felt the emptiness after scrolling. You felt the clarity after self-growth. Awareness leads to choice, and choice leads to transformation. The world is designed to keep men numb, passive, and addicted. But you are not. Most men. You wouldn't be watching this if you were. So here's the question that decides your future. Do you want to stay the mouse in someone else's trap, or become the man who builds his own path? The moment you decide, your life becomes yours again.